Hello 7th graders, this is Miss White and today we're doing lesson 20, composite area problems. We are going to go ahead and start with example 1 here. So it says find the composite area of the shaded region. Use 3.14 for pi. Here we see that there are two circles on the coordinate plane, here and here. The diameter of the larger circle is 6 units, and we know that because this is our larger circle, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the diameter of our smaller circle, which is here, is 4, and I can count that 1, 2, 3, 4. To find the area of, a circle, we need to know that the area of a circle is equal to pi times radius squared. And we're going to use 3.14 for our pi here. To find the shaded region here, we need to find both of the areas of these circles and then subtract them. Let's go ahead and find the area for our small disk. So the area for our small, which I'm going to use S to represent that, is going to be pi. So we have 3.14 times the radius. Remember, radius is half of the diameter. So we knew that the diameter is 4, and here we know that our radius is going to be 2. So now we have 2 squared. I know that when I write out this equation, I'm going to have 3.14 times 2 squared, and 2 squared is going to be 4. So now go ahead and take your calculator out and calculate 3.14 times 4. 3.14 times 4. And that is going to give us 12.56. So now we have found our area for our small disk. Let's find it for our big disk. So I'm going to go ahead and outline this the best I could, I guess. That was pretty rough. So the area for the big disk, we're still going to use 3.14. And then we need to use the radius. Here, my radius is 3. So now I have 3 squared. To rewrite this out, I'm going to have 3.14 times 3 squared. So 3 times 3 is going to give us 9. And it's going to equal to, go ahead and put this into your calculator, 3.14 times 9. And that is going to give me 28.26. Now that I have found both areas for these, we are going to take the area of our big disk and subtract it by the area of our small disk to get the shaded region. So here I have 28.26 minus 12.52, or 6, excuse me. So 28.26 minus 12.56 is going to give us 15.7. So our area of the shaded here, which one it is going to be 15.7 square units. Let's go on to the next page with example 2. It says find the area of the figure that consists of a rectangle with a semicircle on top. Use 3.14 for pi. So here we know that the area of a rectangle is going to be base times height. And then the area of a circle is going to be pi times radius squared. But remember, since it's the semicircle, it's half of a circle, so we're going to also multiply all of this by 1/2. Then to find our total area, we're going to take the area of our rectangle plus the area of our semicircle, okay? And it is going to give us our total area of this figure here. So let's go ahead and look at our rectangle. Here is our rectangle. And we know that our rectangle is going to be 4 meters for our base. And for our height, well, this is a little tricky here. And to find our height, we're going to need to find the radius of this semicircle first. So here is our semicircle. We know that the diameter of this semicircle is 4 meters. And so that means that the radius of this semicircle is going to be 2. So now I know that my total height is going to be the 7.5 meters, which is our total, minus 2, to give us our height of 5.5 meters. So now I have 4 times 5.5 equals, go ahead and type this into your calculator. And we're going to go ahead and get an answer of 22. And now we can go ahead and find the area for our semicircle. So here I'm going to use 3.14 for pi, like it says in our directions, times our radius, which we know is 2, squared, and then we're also going to multiply that by 1/2. So here, now I know I have 3.14 times 2 squared, and 2 squared is going to give us 4 times 1/2. Okay, now to solve for our total, I can say, well, what is 3.14 times 4 times 1? And that is going to give us 12.56 over 1 times 1 times 2, which is going to give us 2. Go ahead and with your calculator, divide 12.56 by 2. And that is going to give us a total for our circle, 6.28. So here our area is 22. And then for our total circle up here, okay, the total circle is going to be 6.28. Then to find the total area, we're going to take our area of our rectangle, which is 22, plus 6.28, and we're going to get a total of 28.28 meters squared. All right, and that concludes our lesson for today. See you in class.